Hey everyone, want to download FileZilla on your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to download FileZilla step by step. Yeah, whether you're managing website files, connecting to an FTP server, or transferring data, this guide will help you get the correct FileZilla installer safely. First, open your web browser and search for the official FileZilla website. Make sure you download FileZilla from the official source to avoid unwanted software or modified versions. Once you're on the FileZilla website, find the Download section and choose FileZilla Client. This is the version you need for transferring files between your computer and a server. Next, select the download option for your operating system. FileZilla supports platforms like Windows, macOS, and Linux, so choose the version that matches your device. After clicking the download button, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. You know, the download time depends on your internet speed and the size of the setup file. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the FileZilla installer. Check that the file has downloaded successfully before starting the installation process. If the download does not start, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. Browser settings, security software, or network issues can sometimes interrupt downloads. Once the installer is ready, double-click the file to begin installing FileZilla on your computer. Follow the setup instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open FileZilla and you're ready to connect to your server using your FTP, FTPS, or SFTP details. And that's how you download FileZilla. With the installer ready, you can start setting up FileZilla and managing your file transfers easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.